Bryce Rader with the law firm Dorn and Rader, and I'm an attorney and a partner at the firm. And I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the process of probate. Probate is a court-administered process to transfer ownership of a deceased individual's property from their estate to their beneficiaries or to their heirs. If they have a will, then in the will they designate who they want to serve as their personal representative or their executor, or for females, an executrix. And if they don't have a will, then any interested party can petition the court as long as they qualify under statute as a personal representative. This process is initiated then by a petition to the court. If there is a will, the will must be admitted. There's a hearing that is noticed in the newspaper. After that hearing, then, the court's going to issue letters, testamentary or letters of administration, which is the authority for that personal representative to administer this estate. After that, there is going to be an appraisal process or an inventory of all the assets, followed by a notice to beneficiaries, notice to creditors in the newspaper. Typically, there's going to be payment of all the bills and invoices in the estate. There'll also be an accounting process where all the income is tracked and all the expenses, and that accounting needs to be submitted to the court for review. There's usually a consolidation of assets and liquidation. For instance, if there's a sale of real property, that's going to be notified. A notice in the newspaper, followed by a hearing to approve the sale once a buyer is identified. In court, there'll be a bidding process. So as you can imagine, all these steps take time. Usually it's 9 months to maybe a year if there's no complications or objections or contests. And there's also a fee involved for the attorney, and typically that's a percentage of the estate. And there's a fee for the personal representative, which is also calculated through a percentage, and the court has certain fees. I'd recommend that any individual who has been appointed as a personal representative in a will to retain a qualified estate planning attorney to assist them through this process.